Hey guys, this is Untitled here. So in this video I'll show you how to take portrait photos on your iPhone 7. So let's get started. I'll be using my iPhone 7 here. You can use any of your iPhones. So there are two methods. The first method is the DepthShot app. So you can see here that I'm using my iPhone 7. So let's get started. So first off, download the DepthShot app in the App Store. It looks something like this. So when you open the app, you will have a basic camera interface like this. Now this is the record button, and that's the gallery button, and that's the camera switching button. Yes, this takes both portrait photos on your front cam and your back cam also. So let me just show you some sample photos that I took using the DepthShot app. So the second method is the B612 app. So in this method you will not be taking photos, but then you will be editing the photos that were taken already. You will not have to do anything. You have to go to the gallery and then choose a photo and then click on the portrait effect, and you can slide through the focal length to change the amount of blur in the background. This does quite do very well for most of the photos. This was a new feature added in the B612 app, and most of them don't know this feature, so make sure you check it out. These two methods will help you take portrait photos or edit the photos that you took already and make it look blurry in the background. So thank you for watching guys. Like, subscribe and comment for more videos. Peace.